step into the Ram 2020 2500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, ERA, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries, Cummins turbo diesel badge, heavy-duty engine cooling supplemental heater, 220 amp alternator, tow hooks, diesel exhaust brake, front bumper side shields, capless fuel fill with O discriminator, bright white clear coat, adaptive steering system, monotone paint, sport appearance package included, body color grille, surround black interior accents, sport decal, body color, door handles painted, front bumper painted, rear bumper, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift control, blind spot and cross path detection included, power chrome tow mirrors with convex spotter and memory mirror mounted O reverse lamps, exterior